Hello, this is Uplifting Post Tower and welcome to the Hotel Scandic Hallandia in Halmstad, Sweden. This building dates back to the 1970s, which is quite obvious if you take a look at it from the outside. But sadly the main elevators for the guests do no longer, since they have been completely replaced. Oh dear.
Plan 1, Level 1.
And now to the service elevator, which is still an old elevator with swing doors, and it has got no inner doors. Disappointingly though, this elevator needs a key card, and I wasn't able to make it move. No! I've been really looking forward to this one. At least I did manage to call it, but I couldn't make it move, which was very disappointing. If I ever manage to ride it, I will upload a separate video on my channel. And now to a newer section of this hotel, which has got its own elevator, which is a cone elevator with M-series buttons. This one is still left in original condition.